Hey, I'm Derek Wilkins. We're back today here for another video. We're going to discuss how much long-term care insurance to buy, if any, if you're high net worth. And we're defining high net worth probably $5 million plus. I'm with my cousin and business partner, Drew. Drew, how's it going today?
Hey, Derek, it's going well. Yeah, increasingly, because the market's been running for 17 years now, increasingly we're running into people who have higher net worths than they maybe expected they would at this point. And so we commonly get the question, do I even need long-term care insurance? And that's what we're going to answer right now.
Yeah, and it's one of those things where the answer, if you have $5 million or more, the answer probably is no, you don't need it. It's more of a business decision. But yet we have dozens and dozens of higher net worth clients who have 5 million plus who do end up buying long-term care insurance, even though they can self-insure the risk just because it's spending pennies to protect dollars. I think my wealthiest client is worth about $25 million and he's still got a plan. And his thinking was, if something happens to me, I don't want my kids or wife to have to really worry about which assets to sell, how to liquidate my business. They can just call Nationwide or they can call Lincoln, and here's the plan. So it almost gave like a blueprint for the kids to follow. And so, Drew, like when you're talking with these high net worth clients who say they have $10 million, how much coverage did you tend to recommend?
Yeah, so I'm going to hazard a guess back to your point. Someone who's got 5 million plus, especially 25 million, they're a planner. And so there's definitely value in having that plan. As far as how much coverage, I always tell people without a magic eight ball, without being able to predict the future, we really don't know what is the perfect amount. So let's undershoot a little bit rather than overshoot. To put a number on that, $4,000 or $5,000 a month is real common, even though care can cost $10,000 a month. Something that's just going to take a big bite out of it that might dovetail with other income streams you'll have in retirement. It's a really personal question, but that's some guidance I give.
Yeah, that's exactly spot on. If you do have higher net worth clients who are looking to kind of plan for long-term care insurance, it's just almost like they just need like a baseline of coverage. So that 3, 4, 5 grand a month starting value. Now it'll be indexed for inflation, but if something happens, that's going to pick up the majority of the risk. And like you said, Drew, they probably have other income sources. So if the bill ends up being $8,000, at least this picked up 4 or 5 thousand. So that's in a nutshell. If you are a high net worth client out there researching long-term care insurance, you're not alone. Many people still do go ahead and plan for this because it's a smart business decision. There's a good chance that you have that 5, 10, $20 million because you have been a planner your whole life. And this is one of those things where if you look at your current health, your parents' health, your brothers, sisters, grandparents, and you feel like you do have a long-term care risk that's greater than most, then maybe get a plan. Now, if you feel like, hey, I'm in great shape, none of my parents did it, then maybe you don't get it. We're LTC Tree. We help guide people of all economic levels, whether you have $50,000 to your name or 50 million. We're happy to have conversations about anything in between and help you craft a plan that would be appropriate for you.
Yeah, one other thing I want to point out, Derek, my high net worth clients tend to gravitate more towards the unlimited benefit plans, which normally we give. Once you share the actual claim statistics, most people don't want to pay for an unlimited plan. But have you noticed that? Have you sold more unlimited plans to the higher net worth clients because they want the ultimate security? Like they don't want to buy this and have some really remote chance of it not paying for everything.
I'd say we used to when there was better good, unlimited plans, but now I think National Guardian has an unlimited plan, but it's expensive. It's really expensive. One America has one, but it has so many like little kind of gotchas and gatekeepers. So most of our clients, they do get bigger plans. They're not getting like a 3 year plan. They'll typically get that 6, 7, 8 year benefit period, but to hedge the risk. And now when you start looking at what are the odds you're going to need care beyond that 6, 7 year period, it's pretty low. So that's usually enough for them. But you're seeing unlimited for your
It's
clients.
just yeah, it's just a small handful of clients that fell into that unlimited bucket. But if you are high net worth and you don't mind writing a $15,000 check every year, that unlimited is out there.
Yeah. Yeah, great. If you want to learn more about any of the companies, we're LTC Tree. We're going to work for you, not the insurance companies. We're happy to shop the entire market of all these products, whether it's traditional long-term care insurance, hybrid long-term care insurance, or even the self-insure long-term care annuities that are out there. We're happy to discuss all three options with you. If you'd like to learn more, go to our site, ltctree.com/quote, or call us 1-800-800-6139. Drew and I will typically try to pick up, if not one of our assistants. And if not, leave a message. We'll call you right back. Thanks for watching today, guys.